What's up, everybody? Scott Jansen here, and welcome to our brand new training course. In this training course, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create powerful hypnotic audios using binaural beats and background sounds for your coaching, your therapy, or even your healing clients. In addition to this, the same process of creating your own audios for your clients, you can actually use this to create your own hypnotic audios, whether you're trying to grow your business, overcome your own anxiety, maybe wanting to become a millionaire, be more wealthy. You can use this exact same process for creating audios for your clients. You can also use it for your own personal development as well. If you're a coach, a therapist, a healer in RTT, conversational hypnosis, whatever, obviously your goal is to become the best therapist or best coach possible that you can be. But we all know one thing about clients and their unconscious or even subconscious mind is sometimes it can be stubborn. And sometimes no matter how much work you do in your sessions or your programs, it seems that your clients aren't always getting the results that they've paid for. In addition to the sessions and the therapeutic type things you might be doing in the sessions themselves, it may be good practice to start to think about creating audios as far as your clients can actually use these audios to enhance the suggestions, enhance the work you've done with your clients with your face-to-face or even Zoom or over Skype to enhance their overall transformation. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this course. I'm going to be showing you guys the simple process to create your own hypnotic audios as a therapist or a coach. As one big bonus, you do not have to go out and spend your money on binaural beats. What I've done for you guys, if I've given you over 100 binaural beats, meditation type music, background sounds, nature sounds that you guys can use commercial free. What does this mean? You guys can use this to actually sell to your clients. You can use them and give them to your clients as far as the suggestions and the sounds themselves. You can also use them commercially, whether you've got a YouTube channel, Facebook page, whatever you want to do. These are up to you of how you want to use them. We have paid for the licensing, so please feel free to use them anywhere. There is no license that you need or anything like that. I made the process super simple. I'm going to give you all the binaural beats, all the background sounds. Then I'm going to show you how to turn an audio into something that is hypnotic. I'm going to talk about the suggestions, the software, how to put it together, and ultimately creating something that you can give your clients or even sell as like a 3-pack or a 5-pack audio session to your existing clients or past clients to help them improve their own transformation. And like I said, you can use this same process for yourself. If you have certain goals where you want to change your own unconscious blueprint to achieve more in your life, lose weight, overcome anxiety, become more wealthy, become happier, whatever it is, you can use this exact same process. So it is super simple. Thank you guys for joining me on this program. I cannot wait to see the types of audios that you guys create. So I've talked enough. Let's get into the actual overall breakdown of how to create the perfect hypnotic audio from scratch. Let's go, guys.